What's poppin'? It's your boy Dluh back for another video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the gang, and let's be motherfucking great. Alright, man. Man, oh man, oh man. There's something about this group that has me stuck. That has me a new fan. That has me stepping outside the box to what I, listen to every day. To, come over on this side, man, and expand my views on things. There's just something about this group that, threw their line out, I bit, and they just reeled me in. They got me. There's something about Stray Kids. There's something about Stray Kids, man, and I've been hearing a lot, and everything, been adding up. The puzzles, the pieces of the puzzle been adding up, man. It's been fitting, fitting together. And there's just something about, I'ma always react to Stray Kids now, man, because there's so much content, there's so much music that I haven't even heard of, and I'm not gonna listen to it until I react to it and show it to y'all. So I'm not gonna listen to it, just when I'm by myself. I just can't. I have to show y'all, because this is, I started with the Stray Kids, showing y'all, so I gotta, keep it going. So, today I'll be reacting to Stray Kids Thunderous. You guys been really, showing love, giving me a lot of suggestions. So it's only right, man. It's only right that we continue the journey. So yeah, we're gonna keep it short and sweet. I know that was a long intro. But I just had to, give my respects, give my love to y'all and to this group, man. So with that being said, man, let's get into the reaction. Already, they don't disappoint with the music videos. Already. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Hold up, bro. Let's all take a moment in silence, man. Why they be going so hard in the first few seconds? Why? Because they can, you know what I'm saying? Because they're able to. That is crazy. Beat banging already. Music video just going crazy. Man. Let's continue. Okay. Okay.
Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick? I don't ban you. 얼레리 멋있는 척들이 양심. 백끝 조차도 따라오지 못한 여기는 팬들. 들어봐. 질투가 정말 쪽으로 지워놓고 버려.
Man.
뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 던져. 소문난 꾼들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛.
Hold up. before it continues, man, the highly slept on. I said that, I think in the last video, man. I can't remember because I was just so in awe. But highly slept on. Highly slept on. What I could point out, like I said, music video. Always on 10, man. Always, you know, very engaging. The song, what they're speaking about, is always up to par. And last but not least, their instrumentals, their beats. Their beats are very, very, like, you feel it in your soul, man. So all three, those three components mesh into one, and it just brings everything to life. That's the, man, highly slept on. Highly slept on. And I know there's a guide, there's a few guys that y'all, you know, been telling me. But I'm gonna learn by y'all. I'm gonna learn by y'all, because I do not want to watch a guide. I'll probably react to it, but on my own, I would not watch a guide and kind of be, you know, spoiled from it. You know what I'm saying? With songs that I haven't heard, because I want y'all to be the first time. I want y'all to see the first time I, you know, listen to these, you know, newer songs and all the other, you know, songs that they do have. But, man, y'all say, it's called, you know, fans are called the stays, right? I'ma stay. I'ma stay. Cause I'ma stay reacting to y'all. I'ma stay reacting to everything. It's just crazy, man. I can't even speak. But whatever, man. Let's get into it. Favorite part. Man. Fire. Hey, look at him, smooth. Hey. Man, the edits are crazy. Fire. Fire. Oh my gosh. Please, Stray Kids. Please, man. Let loose. You got foot on people's necks right now, man. And if y'all are, you know, if y'all do see this, just know I want to meet y'all. I want to meet y'all. But let me build up. Let me build up. Let me do my research. Let me, you know, let me knock out all this content. And we gonna make it happen one of these days, man. One of these days. But man, music video, 9.5. Their music videos are top tier, man. They don't disappoint. Song, 9.5. 9.5. Now I said Venom might be my favorite song, but I think, man, any song that I listen to now, it's like that newer song overtakes the song that I already reacted to and said that I like, you know? So, as of right now, Thunderous is up there. Hands down, Thunderous is up there. Music video, 9.5. Song, 9.5. Across the board, man. Overall, it's just, man, oh man, it's just something new with their content, and that's why it just has me keep on, you know, coming and, you know, and revisit, you know, and see everything. So once again, thank y'all, man, for suggesting all these, you know, reactions of these songs that I should do. Just because, you know, I'm gonna make sure everything that you guys are telling me I'm gonna do. It's only right. So, you know, with that being said, it's your boy Dluh. I'm on the road to 500 subs. Once I get that 500, you never know, I might just give a giveaway to y'all because y'all deserve it. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the gang. More content on the way, and let's be great.